Okay, this is our first. There's already one power surge in our house, and we just shut off all the electricity.
Yeah.
We don't want anything to do. We don't want our house to blow up or something. Okay, so this outside right now. It's actually raining very hard right now. You can't even see the road.
Marcos, there. There's a pouring there.
Whoa! Oh, this is right here. It's really loud.
You missed it.
I'm friggin' scared right now, man.
Yeah. Not me.
Said there's gonna be tornado warnings.
Yeah, not me.
News.
The news said there's tornadoes, and there's already tornadoes up north. I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, bye for now.
Where's my daddy?
Not good anymore, eh?
Still good.
Watch the replay.
Still good.
Wait, okay, got some picture in now. Yeah, boy. You're gonna get it. I just get it to
But already in Bill. Right now, it's 7:05, and
This
this is really entertaining. I like the rain. I like the rain. The rain's amazing. This is great. That's him.
Yeah, it's great.
God just took a huge piss. Holy crap. He drank too much water.
Go swim now.
That's the show. It's getting really it's getting windy now though.
Stay tuned next week for part 2.
Okay, banana time.
My knee? My knee.
Oh, what's a dog? You want the dog? Yep. I don't want a dog.
I just want to talk you one again.
Always use the car.
Hey!
Oh, number one is special.
Hey!
Boy, girls for that.
Hey!
Yeah, the dog.
There's a flying.
Yeah, the dog was very intelligent.
I'm flying to the dog. You keep the dog. You're like, doggy. You wing us. Like, no.
Be careful with the stick.
See the dog again.
The dog.
No, something like
I can't do the dog.
no, what a cat. What a cat.
You're going to be on me, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we couldn't find it. It was like at the end.
It's dead now because he has no food.
That's the rate in Toronto. Half an hour, that's the most.
Yes, done! Yeah, see the video.
The rain's like almost done. No.
Now the sun gonna come out. Yeah.
Yes! We're a survivors! We're a survivors!
Surviving, we survive, we make it too. I never had a butterfly, but I love butterflies.
Butterfly!
Yes, they're great.
Oh my God, this sucks another.
Oh, yeah. I like yellow.
I love you. So call out the sun.
I know it's not red.
No, don't get my yellow's my favorite color. Yours is pink.
What?
The nephew.
I love you.
Yeah.
Oh, I love you.
What did you say? What did you say?
No.
Nothing. What did you say?
No, nephew.
The nephew.
I have lots of nephews, but I have 4 nieces. Lots of nieces.
What did you say? You got lots of nieces. You only have 2 nieces. I got 2
Hey, good you guys happy, eh? Good stuff. We stitching red every day.